enthroned above, clothed in light and endless love. In your presence here I stand, held secure within your hand. When my heart is weak and worn, when my soul is tired and torn, you remain my faithful place, covering me with grace. Let it rain, rain of mercy from your throne. Let it fall upon my soul till my heart is yours alone. Let it rain, holy grace, wash away my fear and shame. In the silence I proclaim, blessed be your holy name. Lord of glory, Prince of peace, let my restless striving cease. Teach my heart to trust your will in